You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these two words. How do you say them correctly? We'll be looking at how to say more useful vocabulary in English, so stay tuned to the channel. Loads to learn here. The top word is said as wet, wet. The bottom word as vet, vet. So to do the V sound, you have to put your top teeth to your bottom lips, vet, while the top word is as wet. It's easy, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.